you lost for words? Cheers, pal. Okay. Thanks a lot.
Have a rest of your day.
And you. See you in a bit.
Yeah.
£4.99 each they were. Just noticed 3 for 12 quid. £2 extra, could have had another one. That's going to ruin my day today. Right, welcome back to a new video. Good evening, 7 PM. This is our new slot every Tuesday, 7 PM. Welcome. Hope you're enjoying your tea. £1.71. What is happening to this world? I'm just going to spend 100 quid. That £2 still getting to me. Need to ring Nick. I don't know if it's petrol or diesel. It says, oh, might be unleaded diesel.
Watch him get annoyed now about spending a penny more.
What have you said? I bet you've said something. That was dead expensive. A few people have mentioned that using the hearse is disrespectful. We've already used it for the stag do. We've turned it into a bar. Drop us a comment on what we can do with it next, because it was too good to go to the scrapyard. It's only ever done 15 miles an hour in its life. We'll soon sort that out. What just happened? Isn't that illegal? I actually quite enjoy going through it because it's a bit of a challenge. She's tight. You smell burning? You smell burning?
I almost didn't hear you, was dead quiet.
Hey! We're not doing any more dead jokes.
Oh, okay.
Because it's disrespectful. Drift car, come for an update. She's on the ramp. Do you reckon that's the world's first?
The way Nick shakes his head.
Why?
I think we're in trouble. So still not running now.
It's coming up with, in the cash unit, which is the immobiliser, it's coming up in there saying Terminal 50 isn't talking to the rest of the car. When you press the start button, it goes click, click, and it turns the engine like tiny little bit, but it's not turning it enough. It either needs a new cash unit or there's a wire burnt out somewhere, a loose connection.
So that won't be nothing to do with the wraps or nothing?
It could be, but I don't think so, no, because it's weird because it was working before.
Oh yes, of course.
And then all of a sudden it just stopped working, so.
So seats are in, belt, coilovers, steering wheel, oil coil,
Intercooler, and then steering angle kits.
Is that the one which came with the car?
Yeah.
Perfect.
So lock kit, so you'll get, instead of your wheels turning to there, they'll turn to like there.
So just to recap, this was our drift car, BMW 335i. Now we got it really, really cheap because of the damage. It had no interior. It's been eaten by rats, but it's had a makeover, a big makeover. We're onto a black dash, obviously stripped out. We've got seats now, proper rails, steering wheel, and now obviously we've got loads more things to do on it, but it's really getting there. Can't wait to drive this thing. Obviously we've got one at home, the cheap one we bought, but it's nowhere near as powerful as this. Can't wait to get this on the track. I'm going drifting. Elon Musk, you are a genius. This is not into electric cars, and then when it goes around a whole oval sideways and perfectly balanced like that, look at that. Oh, right. I don't know what the noises are for.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I'll tell you what, this man's even got to space, and you can see why. This is a motor and a half. Fair play. You'd never think from the outside one of these can do this. It's so easy to control. Love it.
I've been to Dubai,
Let me
mate.
take that camera.
You see me?
Now this is dedication. This is what this channel's all about, and we're at it. This car, unbelievable, such good fun. Did you enjoy that, George?
Yeah, I loved it.
Listen, we're back. For all of you petrol heads, normal has been resumed. I've decided I can't speak and drive at the same time. The Queen's a that's so you can't use that bit.
I'm just gonna mute what you say so I can use this. Think you're clever? You're not.
Do you know what's clever? Have this. Have that, Barham. Listen to the V8.
It's like he's deliberately trying to get me covered in dirt.
Showing off as well.
Being like, oh yes, I'm Mark McCann. That was instant karma. That was instant karma. Oh! Oh! Instant karma for him as well.
It's not Mark McCann.
Is that a 64 badge I see? The merch isn't even out yet. Don't know what he shouted.
Get the Merc!
Is that... Imagine if that's actually what he said.
Yeah, definitely sound like get the Merc out.
He's trying to do a smoke screen. I see the tactic. I see an 8 from here.
V8. That's 4 pistons for all those people who want to know car facts. Do you want to know what the engine is? Google it.
How many pistons?
8?
You said 4.
I said 8.
You said 8.
I definitely said 8. I know it's got 4 pistons. That's what the 8 stands for. 5, 8. I know it's got 8 pistons. I'm confusing myself.
That's as bad as George's ton of feathers and ton of bricks.
Nah, leave me out of that one. I know I f***ed up, but still, leave me out of that one. That wasn't even funny.
This is a 4 litre.
You can see the monkeys inside the brain clapping.
Which genius left the door open on the hearse?
Wasn't me, I was driver.
Good work, Barham. Your talents never cease.
There's 2 rules in my car. Sit down and hold tight.
Don't make me do this. Still got to do it. See in a bit. I want to get off. Screaming.
Screaming for the bit faster.
I don't know why. Oh my god. Oh, oh, the splitter! The splitter! No.
That's a £200 splitter, that is. Still your fault, George.
Huh?
It's definitely not my fault.
Whose idea was it?
Yeah, it definitely is. Wasn't my fault because I was crying in the passenger seat asking to get back out again. Somebody's broke something instead of me.
Makes a change. I'm really good.
That's irresponsible. That was brand new. Was it brand new?
New enough, yeah.
I feel like this is a touchy moment, you guys.
It's like a big jigsaw puzzle, this is. Nearly £200. You're a little piece of plastic.
Oh, that was a big, deep exhale, that was.
Really sad. I was really careful by all the curbs that I parked next to, and then you made me do something stupid.
If I told you to jump off a bridge, would you do it?
Do you know why you said that? Because Jane said that to Mark the other day. Look. Did you see the rock? They hit my leg.
I reckon we should do funeral deliveries like this. This is in respect to every petrol head which has been in the back of here. Go back this way.
I feel like I'm wearing foundation.
Ready?
I don't know what this is, but
Has that
it
come
just
up?
fell off it, yeah.
47,000 miles at 15 mile an hour, and then we've done another 2 miles at 7,500 revs. You may notice that the quality has greatly enhanced. It's because I'm holding it now.
Well, like the god of cameras are here now.
You need to hold the camera a bit more steady than that.
I'm adjusting my grip. I'm adjusting my grip.
He's holding it like this.
What do you think of your new car? Unbelievable. Highly impractical.
Feels weird being on the opposite side of the camera. This feels very
This is easy.
easy. What, do you want to switch lives? I can be Mark McCann, you can be Jordan Barham, you can film me, I can drive supercars.
Jane. No.
Okay, she's off limits, I won't go there,
Can we just list through the next mods, please, Jordan?
I'm gonna get front splitter, rear diffuser.
Wing mirrors.
Oh, I need wing mirrors. I feel like you should explain this, right?
Why should I? It's your car.
You're the mechanic.
Yeah, but you're the one that wanted to do
Come
it.
back to me. Right, so he's having.
You know what?
Come back to me.
He's going neons. He's having some buckets put in. Hydro. He's having a hydro fitted. What else you haven't done? Should we keep spending his money?
Yeah, might as well.
He's having a stage 2 intercooler turbo kit. Oh, twin turbo kit. Add to basket. Just need your card details, George.
So this is coming out my wages, yeah.
We starting paying you? I thought you've not been doing it.
No.
Why'd you keep coming? Ryan was
Ryan's got me on a direct debit.
Keto. That was my keto pizza. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that business, and Instagram Mark McCann 64. Hope you're liking the 7 PM. See you next week.